Hey goddesses, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Toya Ray, and of course I am back with another video. It is Monday, so it is one of our salon videos for today. If you are new here, my name is Toya Ray and I am a licensed hairstylist here in Atlanta, Georgia. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure that you join us by hitting that subscribe button and clicking the notification bell so you know when I upload. And for my A1 day ones, you guys know who you are. Thank you once again for tuning in for another video. Okay, so if you saw my post in the community tab, you know that every Monday we are going to have an upload from the salon for you guys, and throughout the week I do have some more things in store, but I'm not going to release those videos until I have enough content built up so that I can keep it going consistently for you guys. But for right now, please expect an upload every Monday from me. Alright, so I'm just going to say this. If you hear Michael in the background, my apologies in advance. He is up front playing his game with his friends, so of course he is animated while I'm doing my voiceover. But like, he is going in right now. It's ridiculous. Anyways, as you can tell, we are doing color today in this video. And I am going to be talking throughout this video. I'm going to kind of be explaining what I'm doing to her hair and also giving some color tips. So please stay tuned. If you want to see the final results, then girl, go ahead and skip on right on ahead and check out the final results of her hair. It came out absolutely beautiful. But anywho, I am using 20 volume to pre-lighten her hair. You can tell, if you can tell from the video, her hair is damp. I always wash my clients gently to remove any product buildup from their hair, to clarify their hair, get those cuticles open, so for the color service, so that we can have a good lifting service to get to where we need to be. So I am using Matrix. I believe it's Light Master 8 is in the white and blue container from Matrix with 20 volume. I mix my developer to the manufacturer's instructions. A lot of people mix their developer to the consistency that they like, which is fine as well. Sometimes I do that as well, but I try to stick close to what is recommended by the manufacturer, the brand, and you get more consistent results. I don't ever mix a whole lot of lightener. I pretty much mix per section so that I can have equal processing time when I'm doing my clients lifting service for that portion of the color service. So that pretty much explains what I'm doing right here, and I'm going to finish letting you guys see me, apply the lightener to her hair to get her lifted. As you can see, some of you guys are probably saying, well, isn't her hair not going to lift well if it's damp? Absolutely not true. I'm going to get some great lift, and you're going to see the result of that pretty soon. But while we're waiting for that next clip, let's talk about hair color. Hair color can be, absolutely beautiful. It can be stunning. You can have great success with a color service, but keep in mind that this is a luxury service. Like, you cannot get color and not take care of your hair. You cannot get color and consistently be in protective styles. Like, when you get a color service, when you chemically alter your hair is going to crave attention from you. You need to make sure that you're keeping up with your maintenance appointments. You need to make sure that you're definitely keeping your hair moisturized, because that is a big key factor. A lot of times people, blame, their hair breaking or falling from color because of something that the stylist did, or the color, itself, it was too harsh for the hair, which, that could be true as well. But a lot of times when I have clients that come in whose hair is not healthy after a color service, it's usually because of the aftercare. They did not keep up with the aftercare. So keep in mind that this is a luxury service. It's not cheap at all. This is an investment, and you want to take care of your investment. Back to what we're doing in the video. I am altering my sections with brown copper, red copper, and copper, which is that true orange ginger tone. And I'm just taking its sections and altering it as I see fit or where I want the color to go. And I absolutely love it that we did this particular color palette, because it just gave her like really soft sun-kissed copper toned hair, and it just came out beautiful. Like sometimes, you know, you just need that dimension in there. One color is cool, but something when you add that dimension in there, it just gives it a whole different look, a whole different life. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here. I'm using different levels of coppers and different tones of the copper family for her color palette today. Also, all of my color services include an Olaplex treatment to help keep the hair nice, strong, and healthy throughout the whole process. So when I was lightening her hair, that process with the lightener included the first part of Olaplex, and then after I process her actual color, then I'll do Olaplex number 2, and we'll continue after that processes, then we'll continue on with Olaplex 3 and 4. Just to let you know, for anyone who's interested in getting a color service with me, you do have to first do a consultation where we can discuss your color goals, where you'll like to go if it's possible, if it's something that'll be feasible for you. I want to know, you know, what you planning on to do as far as your maintenance of your hair, give you all of your options. And also, if I have to pre-lighten you, then I also like to do a strand test so that I know how your hair will perform during a color service, so that I can have an accurate plan on what we need to do to achieve the color that you want. Now, I did not have to do a color strand test because I've colored her before and I pretty much know how her hair is going to look. Usually she's my client that likes to be blonde, so when she told me that she wanted to do this whole ginger copper tone look, then I was completely shocked, because this is my blonde client. Like, all I've ever done on her was blonde, so this was really something different for her and out of the box, and I'm glad that she gave me the opportunity to achieve this look for her. Look at this beautiful color. Look, oh my god, do you see the red tones in there? You see the deeper brown copper tones, you see that ginger tones. Like, I really do think that if we would have just did ginger, that true copper orange all over, I just think that really washed her out. So I'm glad that we have those different panels of color in there to give her some dimension with her hair color. It's absolutely beautiful. And her son in the background, he did not like the fact that blow dryer was blow drying his mommy's hair. He did not like that, so she was constantly telling him, like, mommy's not scared, you don't have to be scared. But we got through it. So you guys already know I'm gonna get her silked out, pressed out. You already seen me press out hair tons of times, so I ain't gonna talk about how I silk press hair, but I am gonna do some shout outs. So I'm pulling them up on my phone right now. And first we have Miss Darlene Jameson. She said, I was very impressed with your magic touch on her hair. Totally awesome. You continue being a great hairstylist, and more clients will arrive wanting you to do their hair. Hope to see more new videos, and God bless you and always stay safe. Thank you so much, Miss Darlene. That is one of my clients. I've featured her on my YouTube channel before. Appreciate it. And I don't think I'm going to say this right, but I think it's Naomi. She said the intro is popping. Thank you, girl. Thank you. I love my intro too. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of the new intro. I'm working on a new one for 2021, but I think we're gonna ride this one out for working on a new one for 2022, but we're gonna ride this one out for 2021. Miss Aviance West, I hope I pronounced your name right, said, do you grow hair? Yes, I absolutely do. I have growing hands, and I also have hair care product that can help stimulate hair growth and help you grow your hair as well. Please check out Toya Ray Hair Care and check out our Moroccan Goddess Herbal Growth Oil. It is bomb.com, okay? Gab's Journey said, do you sell the serum? I absolutely do sell the heat protectant that I use. It is also a herbal growth oil, which also contains heat protecting properties in it for those who like to silk press their hair or do heat styling. And she also said, I love your videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Balikian said, is it okay to mix it together, or do I have to do an Olaplex first, then the protein? Please tell me, my wedding is soon. So this is a very good question. You do Olaplex and protein separately. You can do Olaplex and protein in the same service, but that's two separate processes. You're going to want to start with your Olaplex first, then continue with your wash service, and then after you complete your wash service is when you're going to do your protein treatment and follow with a conditioner to restore moisture back into the hair. Okay, so that's how you do Olaplex and protein together. I'll make sure I leave a link in this video so that you guys can watch one of my Olaplex and protein treatment services again, to understand how that process works. Oh my god, look at how beautiful that hair is. Like, look at those tones. Oh my god, I absolutely love it. Estella said, Toya, I really love your gift and your channel. I have really great hair and natural, need help, so maybe when money comes I will purchase. Thank you so much, Miss Estella. I really do appreciate you. The Moroccan Goddess oil ain't going nowhere, girl, so it's gonna be right there for you when you're ready to grab your bottle. And we're also coming out with some new products that I cannot wait to introduce to you guys. It's coming really soon. All I can say is, if you are having scalp issues, your girl Toya got you. Yellow Butterfly said, you're an amazing and goal-oriented woman. Stay blessed. I'm with you 100. Thank you, boo. I really do appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. I love it. Miss Marilyn Martin said, good morning. What is the website to get this product, please? To purchase the Moroccan Goddess oil, here is the link. The link is also available in the description box as well. The website is www.shoptoyaray. Well, it's www.shoptrhc.com, which is Shop Toya Ray Hair Care. Okay. Miss Della says, how beautiful, so shiny. Thank you so much. That was the video from the silk press or short hair using the Moroccan Silk Goddess. I'm telling you, like, that oil is the bomb. Miss Judy, hey Miss Judy. Miss Judy always leave me comments, y'all. She said, are gloves required for applying the serum? I love your work and how satisfied your clients are with your work. Your magic. Thank you so much. Excuse me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. No, gloves are not required to use my products. I wear gloves because, for one, my hands are consistently in water, so it just helps with the dryness of my hands. Number two, it also helps me use less product. Believe it or not, I'm able to spread the product better, especially when I'm shampooing my client's hair and get it, product better in their hair, instead of, the product, getting into my skin, melting into my hands. It's I can apply, product. That's basically what I'm trying to say, is I can apply the product better and use less of my product when I'm using gloves. So if you're a hairstylist, try it. Let me know how it works out for you. Miss Mary says, I have so many shout outs to catch up on. Miss Mary says, hey Toya, I hope and pray that all are well in your family, especially you. You are precious and very special. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. We are doing well. We are trying to stay safe as the COVID numbers spike. So yes, we are doing very well. Yellow Butterfly, she had another comment. She says, first, thanks for explaining the differences between the two oils and serums. Thank you so much. If you want to know the difference between the Moroccan Goddess hair oil and the Moroccan Silk Goddess, I will link that video in this video as well, so you can click that and take a look. Alright, so I think and I think somebody had asked me if the young lady in the hair goes video, the young lady with the very long hair, was my daughter. She's not my daughter. She's actually a coworker of mine's daughter. I do not have any children of my own. If you hear me speak of Layla is my niece, and that is just like my child. So yes, that's the my nieces and nephews are the closest thing that I have to children. As of now, I am not a mother as of yet, but hopefully in the future, one day I can become a mom. But that's it for the shout outs, y'all. Thank y'all so much. Please make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video. And I'll make sure I shout you out. If you have questions, I'll make sure I answer your question in my next video. Once I get a couple of comments, then I'll go back in my history and read them off, and answer your questions, give you a shout out, talk back to you. Thanks so much. And look at there, we have beautiful hair. Okay, like gorgeous. Look at that. It just needed a moment of silence. Look at those hues. Look at there. That is gorgeous. It's like, it's not overpowering, it's not overdoing. Like, I'm not, and I promise you guys, I'm not styling her hair here. I'm just basically combing through it so you guys can see those different colors in it. Look, that brown, golden copper, that orange ginger tone, those red copper tones is absolutely beautiful, and it just brings out her skin tone even more. Okay, like gorgeous. Look at that, boom. And she loved it. Like I said, like I really do think like that orangey ginger all over just would have really washed her out. I did do a root color on her. I don't think I explained that earlier in the video, just to soften up her roots. She usually likes black roots, but I think with this color we just needed that nice soft brown root fading into this color look. So she just let me do totally different things in this video, and I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys thought. Thanks so much for watching. Look at her. I love it when my clients feel themselves. Yes, she's absolutely gorgeous and stunning. Mommy makeover. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in my next one. I think I found my love. I've been so out of touch.